Today I'll be showing you how to scan for viruses on your Windows 11 system. Scanning for viruses helps identify threats within your system and presents you with a variety of options that can help you eliminate them. To scan for viruses, first click on the Start icon, then choose Settings, select Privacy and Security, choose Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection, choose Scan options, ranging from Quick Scan, Full Scan, Custom Scan, or Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Select which scanning option best suits your needs and click on Scan Now to begin scanning. This will enable the detection of viruses and prevent them from causing any other further harm. And that is how you scan for viruses on your Windows 11 system. Thank you for your time. Be sure to like and subscribe.